In this video, we are going to see how we can personalize a Google Sheet according to our country, our region, so that everything like the currency formats, the currency styles, or even the currencies and date formats itself can automatically adjust according to your region. So as we already know that United States follow month first, then date, then year. But if you talk about the Asian regions, they follow something else. So instead of correcting each one of them individually, what we can do is as soon as you start the sheet, you just click on the file and click on the settings right at the bottom. And from here, we can change our local settings. This might affect formatting details such as functions, dates, and currency it says. So let's say that I am residing currently in UAE. Okay, many of the regions are not here. Let's take an example of India. So let's say I'm in India. You can change the time zone accordingly and click on save and reload. What this will do is it will customize this sheet according to the settings of Indian currency. As you can see, the currency format is now rupees, and we will have the date and time settings as well according to Indian arrangement. So that's how you can set up the local regional settings in Google Sheets. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.